Welcome to Animal Alphabet Adventures. Let's explore the world and meet amazing animals from A to Z. A is for alligator in the wetlands. Snap your jaws like an alligator. B is for bear in the forest. Can you growl like a big bear? C is for camel in the desert. Walk with big, bumpy steps like a camel. D is for dolphin in the ocean. Make a squeaky dolphin sound. E is for eagle in the mountains. Spread your arms and soar like an eagle. F is for fox in the grasslands. What sound does a fox make? Let's try. G is for gorilla in the jungle. Beat your chest like a gorilla. H is for husky in the snow. Howl like a husky. I is for impala on the savannah. Can you leap like an impala? J is for jaguar in the rainforest. Growl like a jaguar. K is for kangaroo in the outback. Hop, hop, hop like a kangaroo. L is for llama in the mountains. Make a silly llama face. M is for manatee in the river. Float slow like a manatee. N is for numbat in the outback. Wiggle your nose like a numbat. O is for owl in the forest. Can you hoot like an owl? P is for parrot in the rainforest. Squawk and flap like a parrot. Q is for quokka on the island. Show your biggest smile like a quokka. R is for rhinoceros on the savannah. Stomp like a rhino. S is for sloth in the jungle. Move super slow like a sloth. T is for tiger in the jungle. Give a big tiger roar. U is for urial on the mountain. Climb like a mountain goat. V is for vole in the meadow. Can you squeak like a vole? W is for whale in the ocean. Sing deep like a whale. X is for xerus in the desert. Quick, scurry like a speedy xerus. Y is for yak in the mountains. Snort like a big fuzzy yak. Z is for zebra on the plains. Can you gallop like a zebra? Great job, explorer. You've met animals from A to Z. Come back soon for more wild adventures with Jungle Cubs Academy.